What happens if you die without a will? Who gets your assets and who makes the tough decisions? My name is Zach Tsakiris. I'm the founder of FastWill, and today I'm walking through what's legally called dying intestate, the official term for dying without a valid will. When you die intestate, your estate goes through intestate succession. That's a legal process defined by your state's laws that determines exactly who inherits your assets, and you have no say in it. Every state has its own formula, and the court is required to follow it regardless of what you would have wanted. A simple way to think about it: if you don't make a will, the state makes one for you. Why is that a problem? Let me break it down into three big issues. Number one, unintended beneficiaries. Intestacy laws follow a strict family formula that can exclude unmarried partners, stepchildren you never adopted, close friends, and charities, no matter how central they were to your life. And even within your family, the split may not be what you'd expect. Here in New York, for example, if you die with a spouse and children, your spouse receives the first $50,000 plus half of what remains, and your children split the other half, even if they're 18 years old and inheriting a lump sum with no guardrails. Every state's formula is different, and none of them know your family. Number two, guardianship battles. If you have kids under 18 and haven't named a guardian, a judge who has never met your family decides who raises your children. We all know families have different opinions and dynamics, and now a completely uninformed third party is making the single most important decision in your kids' lives. That's how bitter, expensive family disputes start, right in the middle of a grieving period. Number three, time and cost. Because you didn't name an executor, the court has to appoint an administrator, which adds unnecessary steps and extends the probate process, often stretching it to somewhere between 9 and 18 months. Your estate pays additional administrative fees along the way, and many families end up hiring a probate attorney on top of that. Every dollar spent on the process is a dollar that doesn't reach your family. The frustrating part is how preventable all of this is. A legally valid will names your beneficiaries, your executor, and your children's guardian, and instantly takes those decisions away from the state formula. At FastWill, you can create a complete will package from home in about 45 minutes. We walk you through it one question at a time, and you can sign and notarize remotely as soon as you're done, so your plan is official and hard to dispute. Thanks for watching. If you're working on your estate plan, check out the rest of our Learn Center, where we've broken down every piece of this process in plain English.